as to the impartiality of this particular bench. The petitioners goes on to issues number 2. They say that whereas they put in an affidavit setting out the reasons why there was a problem in the manner in which those issues were done, the respondents did not respond to challenge those particular set of facts. But, my lords, the petitioners are saying that now that the respondents did not challenge their set of facts, the contrary issue that happened is this, that in the ruling that was read yesterday, we got a copy 30 minutes ago, there was a section that was called Other Issues. In the sections that was called Other Issues, the petitioners are saying that this court answered factual and evidential issues that relates to that application. And the consequences of that is that although they had been aggrieved, to them that would amount to this court entering the arena of conflict between the parties, the petitioners and the respondents. And, my lord, the old principle applies that a judge, one, cannot be a judge of his own cause, and in any matter that they are dealing with, it should be a matter that they are absolutely neutral as far as the facts and the evidence are concerned. My lord, in our African societies, I've talked to my parents, I talked to Mr. Ogada, he said his community had the same set of issues. According to my community that I came from, in any those cases that used to be done traditionally, the first thing that would arise was this, and Article 159 says we respect our customs. It was to ask those who will be able to determine this case, are all the parties satisfied with this group of wazes that will be deciding the case? If either of the parties said, I don't know about yours, I said mine and Ogada. Mine is Kikuyu. I don't know. Ogada will talk for himself. My lord, let me have some peace. I think he wants to destroy my train of thoughts. My lord, so that the point I was saying, I can be happy. Ogada can defend himself what he told me. But my lord, I'm saying, at least for my community, that issue would arise. Does any of you have a problem with any of these wazes who will decide the issue? My lord, if the issue arose, that a party said, me, I don't want that mzee to be there, or that other one, invariably, and this is communal justice, that person would pull out and get a mzee, another mzee, that everybody feels comfortable with. So that, my lord, and I've appeared with you, I respect all of you absolutely. The petitioners are saying the circumstances of this matter is that we are unable to enjoy that confidence. My lord, when the petitioners were speaking about what they said they feel, like is a 3-judge bench, one in which they expect fair and square justice. That was a terminology in the case of Gedongori that we have attached on our submissions. That from the word go, a party appearing before the judges should be able to feel that we have a reasonable chances of success between those judges, but more importantly, that none of the judges is connected to the cause, one, to the cause, or to the individual in which you are in dispute with. My lord, why is that important? That, my lord, is important because since Saturday of this week, in fact up to yesterday, but the petitioner says they have been treated to a situation, and a lot of those information people have sent it to my phones because they have seen me on televisions, where we have such a scenario that repeatedly they keep saying we are going to have what is it called? We are going to have a swearing in as soon as these 3 judges lift those particular orders. My lord, that cannot create confidence, because assuming it is not this case, every party, and we have very many cases here, if somebody, you are drinking him in a bar, says, no, you are going to lose that case before the persons we are appearing before. That, my lord, is a party. Parties are not lawyers. are not supposed to be sophisticated, that party will be left certainly with a huge, huge problem as to whether actual justice is possible. And it might actually be, my lord, that whenever else is dealt, the petitioners will win this case. As we expect, we shall win if the petition is heard. My lord, if that is the case, and that may actually be the case before you, but my lord, the scenario that is bad and that is prevented by the law is a scenario where the parties lose. Because they will say, well, you are Ahmed Nasir told us, Oscar Sudi told us, Kamket told us, and all these individuals who are saying it was called drama. We are here for entertainment. My lord, if judges are supposed to be treated to entertainment, and those judges are supposed to stop that entertainment, my lord, there is a problem on the face of it. There is a notice of appeal that we have filed, and it is part of the supplementary affidavit. In this